Google changes its algorithm hundreds of times every year, but sometimes updates completely change the way we do SEO. Many people still follow old SEO strategies like adding more keywords, creating hundreds of backlinks, or writing articles only for search engines. But Google has moved forward. Today, SEO is no longer only about keywords. It is about helpful content, real experience, user satisfaction, trust, and understanding what the user actually wants. In this video, I will explain the latest Google SEO updates, what has changed, and how you just should adjust your SEO strategy to rank in the future. First, let's come. Google search is becoming AI driven. One of the biggest changes in SEO is the rise of AI powered search. Google is now trying to give users direct answers instead of making them click 10 different websites. This means search results are changing. Earlier, user searches best laptop under 50,000. Google shows 10 blue links. Now, Google understands user intent, comparison needs, product features, reviews, and tries to give a summarized answer. Example, imagine someone searches best running shoes for beginners. Google doesn't look for pages with the keyword best running shoes. It looks for just this article explain beginner needs. Does it compare options? Does it include real experience? Does it answer common questions? Then comes helpful content is more important than ever. Google has become much better at identifying content made only for ranking. Earlier, many websites used this strategy. Create 100 articles, put keywords everywhere, get traffic. But now Google focuses on helpful content, explain it. Ask yourself before publishing, is this content actually helping someone? Would a person trust this information? Does it provide something unique? Example, bad content and top 10 phones. Just copying the specification, good content, top 10 phones after testing, comparing battery, camera performance, and who should buy them. Google wants content with value. Now comes experience, expertise, authority, trust, EEAT. Another important SEO factor is EEAT. It means experience, expertise, authority, trust. Explain each. Experience, Google wants to know, does this person actually experience the topic? Example, a travel article written by someone who visits the place has more value. Expertise, does the writer understand the subject? Example, a finance article should come from someone who understands finance. Authority, do people recognize your website as a reliable source? This comes from mentions, quality, backlinks, reputation. Now comes trust. Is your website transparent? Important things about page, contact details, clear information, secure website. Now comes user intent is a new keyword research. Many beginners make one mistake. The only search keywords, but Google focuses on intent. Example, keyword, SEO tools, possible intents, person wants, free tools, comparison, tutorial, pricing. Your content should match the intent. Before creating content, ask why is this person searching this? What problem are they trying to solve? Then comes user experience and page speed. SEO is not only content, your website experience matters. Important factors, mobile friendly design, fast loading speed, easy navigation, no annoying pop-ups, clear structure. Example, if a website takes 8 seconds to open, many users leave. Google says this behavior. Then comes AI content and SEO. Many people ask, can AI content rank on Google? The answer is AI itself is not the problem. Low quality content is the problem. If AI helps you research, create outlines, improve writing, that's fine. That publishing thousands of copied AI articles without adding value is risky. Then comes what SEO strategy should you follow now? Your SEO strategy for the future should be number one, create content for human first. Number two, understand search intent. Number three, add personal experience. Number four, build authority. Number five, improve website experience. Number six, keep updating old content. Now comes the conclusion of this topic. Google SEO keeps changing, but one thing remains constant. Google wants to show the best answer to the user. If you focus on helping people, SEO become easier. Don't judge every algorithm update. Build a website that deserves to rank. Thanks for watching. If you find this useful, subscribe for more SEO tutorials. Thank you.